Today I show you how to use the Spatial Photo feature, 3D effect on photos that you took with your iPhone or even photos you received from chats like WhatsApp or any other chat. I'll show you right now. First, you find the photo that you want to do this with. Scroll to the photo of you or someone. It's usually working well on people, but I will try it with this thumbnail, for example. So you have a spatial scene. And you see at the back there is some kind of effect, like my hand is 3D somehow. It's hard to explain. But it looks real. It looks really believable. There is the finger here that's in front, and then the phone, it's in the middle, and then the background, it's moving. But this effect works best with pictures of people. So I'll show you right now. You find the picture that you want to do this with. For example, one of these pictures, I don't know which one is less bad, maybe this one. Okay, so this is the normal picture, and then you have this option here in the Photos app. So this is the Photos app. You have this option here, Spatial Scene. And when you do that, the photo is automatically becoming like a 3D effect. So you see how the aircon there is moving, and I'm moving, and even my face is moving like it's 3D. You can tell it's not really real because it cannot be real. It's just a picture. But you see how the chair moves behind me. It's very believable, and the effect is pretty good. I mean, you can tell here. I mean, it's really looking like, and the hair especially, it's really very well made. I mean, it looks completely real. Usually hair with effects like this has a problem, but this looks pretty good. And you see the chair there also. So yeah, that's the spatial scene. It's a 3D effect. When you have this effect, you can try it with multiple pictures. It zooms in a little bit on the photo, but you can tell it's kind of a bit flat, so it's not that ideal. You can turn it off, you press there. You can turn it back on, spatial scene, so now it's off. Now I can move without it. You see, my head moves and everything moves with it. If I enable the spatial scene feature, then it's much different. It's like a real life person. It's pretty good. You can turn it off like that, and now that's off. That's the spatial scene. It's a 3D view of a picture in iOS 26. I didn't see this feature before, but it's really interesting that you can turn a picture into a 3D picture like this. You can look around like this. I hope this helps you get to see another angle of your photos. Thanks for watching.